Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So here's the second video I wanted to do. And this one involves reincarnation. And why do I think that has to do with the Mandela Effect? Well, I'm going to wrap that right up in the next video, probably, that I do. But that's where you're getting into my last video, probability, possibility, and quantum mechanics. And probability in quantum mechanics, probability waves, all right? So where you are waves of energy, quantum particles, which are waves of energy, you can't kill that, all right? I did a death video that I'll link up in my next video as well. But whereas you perceive somebody as dead, I don't think that you can perceive your own death. And that could be bad for, if what I mean is if some people figured that out, that could not be a good scene. All right, because they'd assume they could do anything they wanted and there'd be no consequences, but they would be wrong. And I'll get into that, but right now I want to go into I have memories. I have memories that I shouldn't have. That's what me and my friends were working on, was regrouping some memories that we had from a time period that we shouldn't have been able to remember. And we remembered things, and we were able to look up these things and find these incidences and things that we remembered from before I was born in the 70s and even before that in the 30s. And me and this particular group, and these are the people, by the way, that got this weird targeted amnesia, that they suddenly forgot about me, but I never forgot about them, and I never forgot about the research we did. And it makes perfect sense. Of course, we reincarnate. That only makes sense, even under the laws of conservation of energy, which I suppose I should link up also, because that states that I believe it states that no, since the Big Bang, which I'm going to get into in another video, no energy has been created or destroyed. Well, you can't create or destroy energy. It just goes, right? And we are energy. So even though, ultimately, these bodies give out, the energy certainly doesn't. And it carries on in a wave. And you don't even notice, generally speaking. But some of us do remember things from other time periods. And I know that I remember things from other time periods. Otherwise, we couldn't have possibly looked them up and found them, because they would have been things that didn't happen. They weren't anything I ever learned or researched. They were obscure things you had to dig for, not things you found in a history book, all right? I'm not going to get into all the details on it, but so that's it. I'm going to post a couple links, and you can read up on it for yourselves. And you don't have to agree with me, and you don't have to believe me. And maybe I'll sound crazy, but no, absolutely not crazy. And because it only makes sense, it's simple quantum mechanics, as if quantum mechanics were simple. But they most certainly aren't. And that's why I'm making so many videos leading up to this thing. So I'm going to leave it at that for now, guys. Reincarnation, it's a thing. It happens. And I don't know if it happens with, I would assume it happens with everybody. We're all part of the same wave, I would assume. So that's how it works. And I'm going to leave it at that. You can disagree with me or agree with me. I mean, some of you already researched it. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I wanted to blow by this on my next video. So we're going to blow by it on my next video. And thanks for everything, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscriptions, and comments, of course. All your participation pointing us in all these directions that led us to these conclusions, at least for now. And thanks, guys, and have a great rest of your night.